Where my stocks at, alright?
Buy low and sell high with AJ. Let's get right into it. Guess what? I'm stressed. You know why I'm stressed? Because Friday, the stock market went down a whole bunch again. Unwarranted. No need, but it went down because of all this stuff about interest rates and this and that. All my plays went down into the toilet, but it started to come back up towards the end of the day, but then it went back down. So how I'm feeling like crap right now. Okay, but this is what trading is about. You got to follow through with your plays and you got to follow through with your strategy, because if you don't follow through, you will end up losing money, and then come to find out a couple of days later, the markets recover, and then next thing you know, the plays that you had sold for a loss and ends up becoming a winner. Okay, remember, I gave you guys 3 plays that I'm in currently. The 3 plays that I'm in currently is Lyft option call, June 17th, expiry date 2022. The call was for $17.50 and my average price on the call was very low. So I'm still looking all right for that call, because I do have a lot more time for that play to come through because of the June 17th expiry. It's giving me a few more weeks. That's cool. So the next one is TQQ. TQQ, the expiry date is May 13th, 2022. The market sold off a lot. I'm just hoping and praying for a bounce so I could get out that position by at least Wednesday, no later than Thursday. Because when you deal with options contracts, if it comes to that date of expiry, that means that the theta spikes up, and there's a lot of things that could go wrong, and you could end up losing all the money you invested into that options call. That's why options are very dangerous. So I'm looking to sell this by Wednesday or Thursday. If things don't fall through for me by that time, that means that play is out of here. Okay, the next play that I'm in is also SPCE. That is Virgin Galactic. So I have an expiry date, May 13th also, 2022. I'm still looking somewhat okay. I'm looking for a bounce in the market, so hopefully that this stock could regain its composure and get back up. That call is the $5.50 call, and hopefully that works out. So things that we're looking for next week is for the markets to recover and hopefully have a bounce, because the market is way oversold right now. So if the NASDAQ could get back up to like 13,200, I should be good and I should be in profit, and I should be able to get out the May 13th calls. But I'm holding on to the Lyft because the Lyft is not until June 17th. So I'm going to hold that one down. And if my other calls come through for the May 13th expiry dates, which is SPCE, which is Virgin Galactic, and TQQ, which follows the NASDAQ, which is a triple leverage stock, if those calls come through, I'm most likely, but if those calls come through, that means that Lyft is going to be higher. So I might not be able to average into Lyft with more money. So I'm going to leave Lyft as it is. That's my biggest position right now, is Lyft. The Lyft call with the June 17th, 2022 expiry date. $17.50 call. All right. Like I said, I just wanted to share with you guys the stress that I'm going through because of the markets going down. And I'm currently down on my positions because the market sold off on Friday. So I'm looking for a better week next week. Hopefully we could get some bounces and we could get back up to par so I could get out of the May 13th calls that I have for next week, so I could at least leave with some profit. So I just want to share my stressful moment with my audience, just to let you guys know what I'm thinking about and going through the frustrations of the stock market and being invested in the stock market. These are the things you go through when you invest or you trade. As sometimes you can be down on your positions and you could be at a loss, but remember the reason why you got into the position and how your outlook was at the time that you got into the position. Remain firm and strong in your idea and try to follow it through. And that's about it. Know where you heard it first. Buy low and sell high with AJ. Like and subscribe and share with others. And one more thing, let's get this money. Boo, y'all. Peace.